What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit this smooth zoom effect with that satisfying reverse motion in CapCut. But before we begin, if you're new to this channel, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and get ready to take your edits to the next level. So without further ado, let's dive in.